In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone voice with AI in 2025 using ElevenLabs. To get started, head over to ElevenLabs and either create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're inside, make sure you're on a plan that includes voice cloning features because this tool is typically available on paid plans. It's a good idea to check this first so you don't run into limitations later in the process. Next, prepare your voice recording. For instant voice cloning, you'll want at least 1 to 5 minutes of clear speech. In general, the cleaner your audio is, the better your final result will sound. Try to record in a quiet room and avoid background noise like music, fans, traffic, or echo. Also, speak naturally and keep your tone as consistent as possible. This helps the AI capture your voice more accurately. Once your audio is ready, open the voice cloning area inside ElevenLabs. From the dashboard, click on Voices, then choose Add Voice or Add a New Voice depending on what appears in your account. After that, select Instant Voice Clone. This is the feature that lets you quickly create a usable AI version of your voice from a short recording. Now upload your audio file. ElevenLabs supports common formats like MP3 and WAV, and if you have multiple clean samples, you can upload those as well. After uploading, give it a moment to finish completely before moving on. After that, name your voice. Choose a name that helps you identify it easily, especially if you plan to create more than one voice later. You can also add optional labels or descriptions if needed, then confirm that you own the voice and have permission to clone it. This is an important part of using AI voice tools responsibly. When everything looks good, click Save Voice or Create Voice. At this point, ElevenLabs will begin processing the audio. With instant voice cloning, this usually takes anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, so just wait for it to finish. When your cloned voice is ready, open the text-to-speech section. Select your new voice, type or paste in a script, and click Generate Speech. Listen carefully to the output. If something sounds off, don't worry, you can improve it by adjusting the voice settings. Try experimenting with stability, which affects consistency, similarity, which controls how closely the AI matches your original voice, and style or expressiveness, which adds more emotional variation. Once you're happy with the result, generate your final voiceover, download the audio file, and use it in your videos, podcasts, audiobooks, presentations, or social media content.